everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again, and I'm here with my son,
Ethan.
Alright, today we're going to do a video, actually a couple of videos. The first one is going to be for installing a CPU. Today's video will be an AMD install of a CPU, which is a Ryzen CPU. It's going to be the Ryzen 3 that we're doing, and so this is going to be the installation onto the motherboard. And so, just to show you how simple and straightforward it is, my son, who is how old?
10.
Is going to be doing the install of the CPU. All I'm going to do is help with a few little tidbits of how to do it. So, the CPU comes in the package. Comes in this little, used to be called a clamshell because of the shape being a little bit thinner than this, but we'll still call it a clamshell for our videos. So this is the CPU. So go ahead and take it out the right way, right? Alright, so now what do we do to get the motherboard ready for the CPU?
Pull the lever.
Alright, and then we...
Put the CPU in.
And what's the way that we tell how the CPU goes in? Well, the pins obviously are the downside,
because
but...
of the corner, it has a gold little sticker on it.
Like triangle, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and match it up. There we are. Alright, so it felt like it went in all the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what do we do?
Put the lever down.
Alright. Ta-da! That is how you install a Ryzen or AMD series CPU in any of the AM2, AM2+, AM3, and AM4 CPU sockets. So, was it easy? Did you enjoy it? Alright. Well, that will be the installation of the CPU. That's how simple it is. What we're going to do is we're going to do the installation of the CPU cooler or heatsink so that you can see how it is. Now normally I would just go along with the stock fan, so I think we're going to go ahead and do that on this video. You ready? Mm-hmm. Now this one was used so it does not have the thermal paste. Normally when you buy it new it'll have thermal paste on it or a little packet of thermal paste that you'll use for it, and it'll be just the right amount or at least close to it. In this case, since it does not have any thermal paste on it, we'll be using our own, which is Arctic Silver. We use the alumina, which is a ceramic version, which is non-conductive with electricity, so if it a little bit gets over the edges, it won't harm anything. So, my son Ethan here is going to do this part. So go ahead and open up the tube. So with this, because we're using the stock cooler, we're going to go ahead and get things ready to go. Alright, so now go ahead and set those down. It's okay, we'll wipe up later. Alright, so just got the tube ready to go. It will be fine open for a couple minutes, but first we're going to need to go ahead and remove these two tabs because the Ryzen coolers do not use these tabs. Only the stock Athlon coolers that I've come across do. I have not come across anything else that does. Now there may be some AIOs or something like that do as well, but for now, as far as I've seen, only the stock Athlon fans do. So each side is 2 screws, which are pretty easy to take off, pretty straightforward. So now that he's removed the clips, the next step will be to put thermal paste on, which if it was new we would skip because it would be on the bottom here, but since we are using used, it will have to go with this. About the size of a pea, so keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Alright, there we are. A little bit more is okay, a little bit less is okay, but you don't want a lot less and you don't want a huge amount. And it's going to plug in right there. So, nope. Probably that way's the best way. Just line it up over it and put it down on the... Oops, you don't want to be doing that, so... There you go. There you are. Alright, and then you hold it steady with one hand and you screw in with the other. Screw with purpose. Alright, and it's place, so we're good. Alright, and then the last part of the CPU cooling unit being connected is to plug in the power. There we are. And then when we're doing cable management, we'll go ahead and we'll probably zip tie this down like this or something so that it's out of the way. But that is the process for installing a CPU cooler. Easy? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so everyone, thanks for watching the video. Again, if you like our content, make sure you subscribe down below to keep up to date on the new ones. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this particular video. And then, as always, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of the process, or if you have any questions for me, myself, or if you have any questions for my son. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.